Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Spotify glitch on iPhone. If you're experiencing glitches or issues with your Spotify application on your iPhone, then here are some troubleshooting steps you can take to resolve the problem. The first thing you can do to get started fixing the problem is to close off your Spotify application from your background. Swipe from the bottom of your screen and push off the Spotify application card upwards. Once you force close your application, check for available updates for Spotify app on your Google Play Store on your App Store. Go and open up your App Store application from the app drawer, and once you're inside the main homepage, go to the search box and type in Spotify. Once you search for Spotify application, tap on the app and you should be able to see an update button in this page if you've not updated to the latest version of Spotify. Meanwhile, if you already have updated to the latest version, you should be able to see this open button. If you see the update button, tap on the update button and get the latest version of the app downloaded and simply launch the app open, and you should be able to fix the issue. But if you're still not being able to resolve the issue, then the next thing to do is to check if your iOS is updated to the latest version or not. You'll also need to update your iOS now and then, so in order to check that, go and tap Open Settings app, and from the settings menu scroll down and tap on General. Now tap on the software update button at the top of the screen under the General tab, and then look for an available update for your iOS. If you see an update available on this page, simply go ahead and download or install the iOS update. If you just see this kind of an interface, then it means your application is already up to date. You can now go back and open your Spotify application to see if your glitches issue has been resolved. If nothing else works out, you can simply delete your Spotify app from your mobile device. Go to your app drawer and scroll through the Spotify app. Once you spot it, hold the application for a few seconds. Now in the pop-up, tap on Remove App and tap on Delete App. Tap the delete button once again to ensure that you are willing to delete the particular app, and then you'll be able to delete your Spotify application from your device. Now you can go back to your App Store or your Play Store and reinstall the application, and that should be able to fix your issue right away. So those were some of the fixes you could go ahead and take into consideration if you're going through Spotify application glitch issue. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.